Hi everyone, very good morning. I'm back here Neha again to practice day 9. So this series can be done by anybody. You can always recommend this to practice anyone. All you have to do is make sure that you have 10-15 minutes to practice pranayama and meditation in the end of your workout or in the beginning of your workout. I would suggest you to do it in the end because it will make you more relaxing. Choose a place which is relaxing and soothing to the mind as well, no much of noise. You can sit either on table, chair or on the mat. Okay. Make sure that you keep your spine straight. If you find it hard to sit with your spine straight here, you can also take the help of the wall. Alright. So today we are going to practice Ujjayi breathing. So Ujjayi breathing is nothing but a deep breathe in, breathe out where you can feel the air passing through the throat and which is creating a sound of an ocean. So as I explained now, even if I do it, you might not be able to see because it's mostly about experiencing. Okay. Just you have to do one thing. When you inhale, put some pressure of the air to the throat and exhale, do the same thing and try to create a ocean sound in your throat. So you watch me out and if you get it, amazing. If you don't get it by my video, just close your eyes and try it by yourself. Okay. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra, spine straight, close your eyes. Now take one normal breathe in, breathe out. Now you are going to take a deep breath in and breath out by pushing the air through the throat, creating an ocean sound. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale and exhale once again. One more, try it out with me. Inhale and exhale. Keep your breath normal. Open your eyes. Ujjayi breathing, you can do it while you perform any asana as well. Okay. So now I am assuming that you know how to practice. If you don't get it, that's okay. You don't really have to force yourself to do it right now. If you get it, practice Ujjayi breathing. If you don't understand how to be done, just try to put some pressure on the throat and continue to breathe deep, inhale and exhale. Let us do this 6 times more. Okay. Keep your both the hands in Chin Mudra. Lift your chin up. Close your eyes. Now Ujjayi breathing 6 times, inhale and exhale. Inhale first and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Three, exhale, 4, inhale, exhale, 5, inhale, exhale, 6, inhale, exhale, 6, inhale, exhale, now keep your breath normal, just deep inhale and exhale. Slowly open your eyes. Now we are going to practice Makara breathing, where you inhale deep normally. While you exhale, you're going to create a sound of Ma. Mm. Remember, you should not drag your breath like mm. Try to keep your breath only to 4 to 5 seconds. When you exhale, you create a sound. When you inhale, keep it normal. Let us do this 6 times. Okay, I'll show you once and I'll give you some gap and then we'll start 6 rounds. Okay, eyes closed. Take normal breathe in, breathe out once. Now watch me once. Inhale, exhale. That's it. Pretty simple. Breathe in normally. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Fifth one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sixth one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now keep your eyes closed. Just observe the vibrations taking place in your mind. Just observe. Close your right nostril. Inhale from the left side. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Drop your hands down. Continue your breath. Long breathe in, long breathe out. Take your attention to the spine now. As you breathe in, take your attention from your lower back to the neck. As you breathe out, from back, neck to the lower back. Okay, just continue this movement up and down at your mind. Breathe in, breathe out, continue. Last 3 breaths. Deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. Get your both the palm together into Namaskara Mudra. Rub your both the palm. Drop it on your eyes. Open your eyes and look into your palm. Thank you so much and a very good morning. I hope you're feeling better and relaxed. I'll see you tomorrow same time. Thank you. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.